Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful, amazing day today. Today we're doing a Temu haul, one of my favorites, all-time hauls. I have so much Temu stuff to show you guys, unbelievably large amount of Temu to show you. So we're going to split it up into a bunch of different videos. So let's start with some stuff I just recently got over the last day or two. But first, let me give you my affiliate code. So you're going to search on the Temu app. In the search bar, type in ACS 669757. That's for some affordable prices on Temu. It's going to give you some items at better prices. So don't forget to search that item number. Again, it's ACS 669757. I guess I called it an item number. I meant affiliate code. But if you go on the Temu app, go in the search bar, type that in. I'll put it up. I'll make sure it's been on the screen a couple times so that you can see it. And yeah, let's just get right into this. I am not exactly sure what's in this pile, but I think it's a couple of actually things that are useful or potentially useful, let's just say, especially this one. So, because I'm just going to start with this. I will put the price up on the screen for this. And remember, everybody, I usually, if the item is still available, I will leave the link down below in the description box. I also put it in a pinned comment. So yeah, check down there if you want links for anything. So I found this on Temu. It's, oh, I can't see anything. It's a bungee cord set. This thing is huge. It's 32 different bungee cords, heavy duty. You get 6 mini, 6 18-inch. There's 24-inch, 32-inch, 40-inch. They give you 8 canopy ties and 4 tarp clips. So you get a whole bunch in here, and it comes, oh, I got a mountain of Temu here that's fallen on me. So you get it in this container. There's all of the bungee cords. They look really nice. They have these ones too, those tarp clips. I love those. So you get a whole bunch in a whole different sizes. I think this just comes in handy for anyone, especially if you go like camping or outdoors, anything on your deck you need to tie down. Lots of reasons to use these. So yeah, I thought it was a good deal. I feel like I paid around $15, but like I said, I'll put the price up on the screen probably already by now. So yeah, really like that. Felt like that was a pretty useful item. I'm just going to set that right there. Okay, next item is this. It's $3.17. Now, I've gotten back into junk journaling a little bit. And I bought these dried flowers because I saw another person put some like dried flowers in their journal. So I'm not going to, well, I guess I could open them. I just don't want to get like little shards of flowers everywhere. But you get like a little pack of these dried flowers. I just don't want to get them everywhere, you know what I mean? Because they are dried, so they're probably going to crumble a little bit. But how pretty are they just to like sit, like if you have, ooh. They actually smell like dried flowers. Like what you would think a dried flower would smell like. Oh, I dropped one. Okay. So this is really pretty. So they're dried flowers. But yeah, I'm going to put them in journals. Now, of course, you could use these for anything. You could use these for like resin art. There's something that's really pretty. You know what I mean? So I like to just kind of put them in pages in journals. Just a little something kind of different and extra when people open up a letter or something in a journal. So yeah, this is what they look like. And those were, again, they were $3.17. So those will go in my craft stash, which is getting pretty big. Okay, so I don't know how I ended up with 2 of these, but I did. So I need your opinion. Would it be weird for me to give one of these away in a future giveaway? It's a lady shaver. All right, that's a lady shaver. $6.29. So 2 hours charge, waterproof, lady shaver. For all you lady shavers. That's like the word. Why can't I feel weird even saying lady shaver. Wet and dry usage. So you guys, I don't know. I don't know why they sent me 2. I hate to give away one because it's like, oh, who wants to win my lady shaver? You know, but what am I going to do with 2 lady shavers? What am I going to do with it? So tell me in the comments, would it be weird to put one of these in a future giveaway? I mean, you know, it could be for your legs, your armpits, your head. Doesn't have to be for... Okay, so let me know. I might give one away because I don't need 2 lady shavers. Okay, I don't need 2. So, oh, let's look at it. Why don't we? Let's look at one. So I'll save this one. Again, let me know. I feel kind of weird, but it's such a personal question. Oh my gosh, there's 2 boxes in here. This box is, I think, the cord. Yeah, comes with a cord. And here's the head. I barely want to show this to you guys. I barely want to show that to you. Anyway, it also comes with this, a little thing, and that thing. Okay, and this must be the actual shaver part. So let's take a look at this. Let's take a gander at her. Ooh, sleek. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, this goes here. Like that, okay? Now, I guess you can change the head on this. Is what I hate to pull this off, but I guess, does it pull off? Does it twist? What does it do? Oh, it twists off. Ew. Ew, I don't know if I was supposed to do that. But then, does this one just kind of go on? I think I broke it. No. I feel like this goes on here somehow, but when I took this off, I don't know. I need to read directions. Why don't we read the dang directions? So, let me try, see. Okay, take arm hair off. Oh, okay. It does. It takes my arm hair, like, right off. Okay. There's a place right here that shows what, you know, the battery charge is. Okay, there. I did it. I did it. Yay. So, there's that one, and you could probably use that, like, on your chin. Okay, I like this. I think it's well worth the, ladies shaver. The ladies shaver. So, give me a heads up if you think it would be okay to put my spare lady shaver in a giveaway. Or is that weird? I don't know. Let me know. Okay, so I got this free. I played the Calendar 1000 game, and if you don't know what that is, it's a little game on Temu. If you search QQQQ in the search bar, it'll take you to Calendar 1000. Now, I will tell you this about Calendar 1000. You have to spend money to get free items. You pick one ultimate free item, which is usually pretty good. In fact, I'll show you what I chose maybe in tomorrow's video because it's outstanding. Like, outstanding, okay? So I've been getting free items as I go along. You pick out like 8 free items, and you have to log in every day and all that. Anyway, this was one of the free items that I picked. I picked some journaling papers, and I'm like, I will tell you, the best way to play Calendar 1000 is make sure that the items that you pick out are worth quite a bit. You know, you get to pick out some items. I just pick what I like, but if you really, really want to maximize it, pick stuff that's expensive, okay? So these are just like vintage-looking papers for journaling. So I got those in like this kind of darker color. I love these. They look well, I mean, they look like book pages. And then they give you a set in like a lighter color. So is that the same thing? No. But yeah, they give you like these ones in like a really light kind of cream color. So that's what they look like. You know, just different book pages. Different book pages. There's some music, you know, just very random kind of book pages. These are great for junk journaling or any type of journaling at all. There's even some like recipe cards in here. I swear I saw something that said pumpkin. Oh yeah, here. Household management. Household management. Brioches. California jumbles. Christmas cake. So it's just a bunch of different papers. That's all. And I use them in journaling. So yeah, I love these. So I picked that out as a free gift. So that's how I got that for free. Okay, so this was $3.17. I did get a lot of price adjustments on these. These are candles, and these are battery operated, if I believe. I can't wait till fall because one, I'm a fall gal, okay? So yeah, you put batteries in here, and then you probably turn them on down here too. I love to have candles out in the fall. So you get 6 of these. Now, I don't know how... I wish I had some batteries down here. I may put a couple of these in my background once fall hits, because I love having candles or lighting and those kind of things when fall's out. And I love the look of these like tips, because they do flicker. These ones do flicker. So I'm hoping that they kind of look real. I'm hoping. I mean, here's what the candle looks like. It's got like a wax dripping. So I don't know. We'll see. I might put some in the background, but these were $3.17 for 6 candles. So you can't beat that. And you know what you could do is you could paint these. Like if you like a grubby candle instead, and if you like primitive stuff, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But you could grubby these up, make a grubby mix. Like what you do is you mix like coffee grounds, cinnamon, glue, and that kind of thing, and you dab it on here, and they just kind of look grubby and primitive, like antique looking. So that would be a cool idea for these too. So yeah, those were $3.17, and so I will definitely be using those come this fall. Okay, so this next package came. There's 2 sets of these in here. So what's in this box is the same as this box, and I'm going to tell you right now. I paid out the Watusi for these. $18.28. Who do I think I am? Rich or something? But you get 2 sets. So $18, you get 12 of these. They are little solar candles. Again, with these are really cute too. This is what they look like. Now when I turn it on, I had these working. So with my lighting, you know, if I cover it, so you can see it like flickers. These would be so cute outside. I mean, obviously, I'm going to put them outside because they're solar. They're going to recharge outside. What? So you get 12. So I guess 12 for 18 isn't too bad. But I'm going to put these all over my deck out front. I'm going to do... I have another huge item coming from Temu, which we're going to put out on my front deck, and some of these are going to go on that. So yeah, you get 12 of these. So I don't think that's too bad. They come in this package like this. So 12 for 18, that's really not too bad. If you think of it that way, I don't think that's too bad. That's a little over $1 each. That's not bad. Okay, so my friend Mary uses these often, and I said I need to get those. So what it is like a migraine cap. You freeze these or you put them in your refrigerator. I got 2 of them for $4.56 a piece. Okay, you could do a lot of different things with these. I'm gonna use them on my knees, you guys. But it looks like this, okay? This part of it is very cooling. It's like a gel right here. And what you do is you pull this over your head. Like when you have a migraine and like your nose would like sit right here. You know what I mean? And then this cools like your head and stuff. But I'm going to put these in my refrigerator, my freezer. Maybe freeze this and pull them up over my legs onto my knees, because my knees need so much ice and like coolness. But if you have migraine problems, this might be something you might want to look into for $4.56. But yeah, that's what this is for. You. It's actually to put over your head. It's like a little bit binding, so it probably feels like comforting and like kind of tight, but not really tight. But it's very cool. I can even feel it's very cool to the touch. So if you put this in your fridge for a few hours or freeze it, it's going to be super cold. So yeah, I thought I'm definitely going to be using those for my knees. Okay, for sure. Okay, let me start with this item with these, because these 2 are kind of related a little bit, sort of. So this I only paid $3.17 for. How I managed that, I don't know. But it said $3.17, so I'm thinking I got some price adjustments on this. Also, if you don't know what price adjustments are on Temu, let me know in the comments and I'll explain them in my next video. This is a cast iron, kind of like skillet. Looks like this. Okay, now I'm really hoping that this works. But it's a cast iron. I mean, how bad could it be, right? I'm going to fry up some eggs on here, you know, fry up some bacon maybe, sausage, you know. I love it. This could also go outside, probably on a campfire, but I just love this. I love baking things on cast iron too, so I'm hoping that the quality is here. I will tell you, it's heavy. It is heavy. So, yeah. So for $3.17, I ended up getting that. Now, my last item is another item I got for free from my Calendar 1000, okay? So it's this cast iron pot. I'm a little worried about this because it feels really heavy, but I'm thinking, is it going to be, how are my, okay, there we go. My scissors were stuck. Is it going to be, what do I want to say? Is it going to be good enough to cook in? That's my fear with the Temu cooking stuff, you know? Can I trust this pan to cook something? All right, so here's the handle, and it's kind of wrapped up here. Let me pull it out. All right, there's that box. It's wrapped very well, so that's good. And let me get in here. This is big. It's almost like a Dutch oven, kind of. And I have a Dutch oven, a smaller one than this. So you get a lid. You get this lid with it. Okay. Oh my gosh, look. You get two little scrubby things too. Free gift. Cool. We love that. We love to see that. Now, they have a little manual. If you don't know how to operate a Dutch oven, there you go. Yeah. It says check it for any damage. You know, wash it before you use it. I'm just trying to see if it had like any kind of temperature issues, but this is what it looks like. But there's nothing on the bottom. That's what worries me about these kind of pots. I got the handle on. I like that it has the little hanging. I just don't know. Like, I always feel like there should be some kind of something protecting this as you cook in it. You know what I mean? It's a nice pot. Comes with a lid. It's a nice big pot. This might be okay for like soups and stuff, but I don't know. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just worried that because there's no protection down here, what's the convection of the heat going to be? You know what I mean? So let me know if you've bought pots like this without the... I feel like there should be like a piece of steel or something right here. Like, is this going to crack? You know, I don't know, you guys. I don't know. I'm just, you know what I mean? I just don't know. But it does come with the lid. So, I just don't know. I'm just so scared. It says, do not leave the empty pot on high heat for extended periods. It says it features excellent heat accumulation and conduction, distributing heat evenly. Cooking over medium to low heat is recommended. Okay, so I'm thinking this might be a good pot to heat stuff up. Maybe, I just don't, I don't know. I'm nervous. I will say I'm a little bit nervous for it. But let me know. Let me know if you guys have bought any type of cookware off of Temu, and if you want to even use it or not. Like, I'm just a little bit nervous. But, hey, it came with these two little free scrubbies. So, you know, so there's that. All right, you guys, that was my haul for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I have a lot of Temu to share with you guys coming up, so please like and subscribe if you want to see my future videos. Again, all of the comments, no, not the comments. The comments will be down there too, but I'm going to link down below everything in this haul, so it'll be in the description box and it will be in the comments. I'll pin a comment. Don't forget to use my code on Temu in the search bar. It is ACS669757 for some affordable prices on Temu. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Have a wonderful evening, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!